Here's a certified 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. Versatility, safety, connectivity, beauty. To a T, this is the Pacifica. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: Bluetooth streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, driver and passenger front and seat mounted airbags, keyless enter and go, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and V6 engine. Cars.com reports the new Pacifica is sleek, stylish, and even more tailored to families with additional room and innovative comfort and convenience features. Chrysler, where top-flight engineering meets affordable luxury. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.